Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best 3D pens available on the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction, and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7, we have Mint 3D pen. It features variable extrusion speed control and a large OLED display to help monitor heat. The temperature can be adjusted from 130 to 240 C in 1 degree increments to help fine-tune the thickness and flow rate of extruded material. This drawing kit comes with a lightweight ergonomic stylus with 3 colors of ABS plastic and a 100 to 240 volts AC 50/60ths of a Hz adapter. An adjustable feed lets you regulate speed and flow for optimal control of material while you're drawing. It is a large and the OLED display lets you monitor the temperature of the material to help you achieve a wide variety of effects. At number 6 we have 3Doodler 3D pen. The 3Doodler Start Plus Essentials pen set combines art and design with technology in a fun and creative way. Its easy to use uncomplicated technology drives engagement and comprehension of critical STEM subjects. Young learners ages 6 to 13 years old will thrive when they experience what it's like to use their hands and minds as they bring their ideas to life in 3D. It is designed with no external hot parts. With the press of a button, plastic extrudes and hardens rapidly, allowing kids to literally create anything. The 3Doodler Start uses a proprietary child-friendly PCL plastic made at our production facility in Ohio. At number 5 we have Pika 3D pen. The Pika Super is lightweight and compact and allows you to model your 3D creations in new ways. It's easy to create simple shapes in 3D and use the figures to build and construct more detailed objects or structures. To start, just plug in the pen and choose your filament color and bring your 3D creation to life. Pika 3D pens offer a ready-to-use kit with Pika filament refills that are quality controlled and vacuum-packed, plus a reliable 3D drawing technology that features variable feed speed, adjustable temperature, and an OLED display that allows you to fine-tune the temperature. At number 4 we have 3Doodler 3D pen. This 3D pen comes packed with different colors of 3Doodler Create plastics and a comprehensive activity guidebook. The Create Plus 3D printing pen is compatible with 3Doodler Create 3mm PLA ABS and Flexi plastic only. This 3D pen comes packed with 15 different colors of 3Doodler Create plastic refills and a comprehensive activity guidebook. You can get the best 3D drawing experience by only using the best and safest 3Doodler Create plastic filaments. The extrude heated plastic that hardens almost instantly, so you can draw 3D structures freehand or on stencils. You can just plug the 3D pen in, insert 3Doodler Create plastic and wait for the 3D pen to heat up, and then you're good to go. At number 3 we have Mint 3D pen. The basic 3D pen offers a user-friendly entry into the world of 3D art for those not needing advanced features. At Mint 3D we combine visionary engineering with cutting-edge manufacturing to bring you innovative products that are built to tolerate a lifetime of use. The extrude at slow, medium or fast speeds to create intricate designs or fill in large spaces. At number 2 we have Future 3D pen. From the totally safe and cool nozzle to sleek, optimally proportioned white body, the pen is as easy to use as it is versatile. The Future, made possible with Poly SQ1 being the world's first resin light curing 3D pen, it is safe and environmentally friendly. The 3D pen has a child safety lock and inbuilt battery, so you can design on the go without the restriction of wires. You can make anything possible with the amazing range of colors, and the ability to interchange them has never been easier with the removable ink cartridges. Now you don't have to worry about the high temperatures, as Poly SQ1 uses cool ink, avoiding unpleasant odors and overheating. At number 1 we have Pika 3D pen. It's easy to create simple shapes in 3D and use the figures to build and construct more detailed objects or structures. With the Pika 3D pens, you can draw in 3D with ease and have fun by creating simple shapes in 3D and then using the figures to build and design more detailed and intricate objects and structures. Pika 3D pens offer a ready-to-use kit with Pika filament refills that are quality controlled and vacuum-packed, plus a reliable 3D drawing technology that features variable feed speed, adjustable temperature, and an OLED display that allows you to fine-tune the temperature. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best 3D pens for your need.